Well, here's the older brother of that one. Still don't know the model of it, but it's late 70s. Saw on YouTube some guy had one, he got it in 1975, so it's in okay shape, yellowing. It's got some rust on the stand. This one actually has a whole metal stand at the bottom. This was my first eBay fan. Yep. I didn't even know these existed. I had one of those when I was little, but I didn't know this existed until 2014 when I found eBay. And I saw one of these, I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta have one. So I kind of scanned on there, and this one popped up on there. Altogether, it was like, I think $39 was buy it now. And he was selling it cheap because it makes the bonging noise, the blade bouncing. But this one has a Fasco motor in it, which is kind of weird. And I noticed when I took it apart to clean it, it doesn't have a little blade cap. It's got an actual little nut on it. And that blade is a lot thicker than the blades in the oscillating fans. But this thing here, it's a little powerhouse. Excuse me. But I did notice that this is backwards on this one. It's off, low, medium, high, and this one's goes from a different direction. Weird. But anyways, we'll fire up on high. This one just goes. Where this thing moves more than 14-inch lake. I take this one camping with me. It's so powerful, it fits in the tent really well. Flip around. Kind of weird this one doesn't have any motor vents. So that ancient masking tape stuck on there. Need to repaint the stand. Got a good coast down time, but yeah, it's a good runner for Lord knows what, 40 some years old. But anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.